Alright guys, so we're going to try a gaming test using the Honor Pad X9A. So this is Call of Duty. So let me show you the our graphic settings for multiplayer. Let's try very high and medium. Okay, that's only very high and medium for multiplayer. For Battle Royale, very high and medium. Alright. Adjust the screen. Okay, volume is perfect and nice. Let me fix the screen. Alright, so let's play first multiplayer. Check it out, y'all. Go to core. Let's play the free for all. Alright. So I disabled the Bluetooth for the keyboard. So I'm going to use a screen only. Ba't na ako nag-i-English? Tagalog na lang tayo. Alright, here we go. Let me zoom in a bit. Ayan, para makita nyo. Alright. Let's check it out. Yo, Honor Pad X9A. Pwede sa gaming, but it has only a 128 storage, but it's playable. Uy, I like the the screen. Madulas. Ganda. So, try natin. Let's run. Wow, lakas ng sounds. Ooh. Uy, tinamaan ako. Okay mabilis yung game. It's very nice Ganda siya. Mas smoother. And we have the high frame rate, no? Uy, tinamaan pa ako. I'm number 3 Sige, galingan na lang natin. Wah, grabe, ano ba yan?
Hunter-killer drone inbound.
What the hell? Number 3 lang ako. Uy, sa pool. Mahaba-haba yung laban ko dito I really like the speaker Lakas sa speaker. Takas. Uy! Naunahan tayo Grabe lakas ng speaker. Matunog. Nakakagulat yung speaker. Sa likod yun. Oy, 20 na. Sayang, hindi tayo umabot. Alright. That's the multiplayer game. Call of Duty Mobile on an Honor Pad X9A. Pwede naman pala siyang pang gaming. Kayang-kaya. Nga lang, malit lang yung space niya. Alright, so that's it.
Nice work.
Okay siya. Alright, panalo.